What is up, everyone? My name is Brian Gualberto, and I post every single trade that I'm going to take in 2025, whether it is a win or a loss. Today, on January the 22nd of 2025, I took a total of one trade today, and let me show you why I took this trade. Whenever you're trying to figure out your own trade analysis and thesis, you want to go ahead and make sure you look at the overall schematic of how a stock is actually moving. One thing that I noticed pre-market for the QQQ was that you saw a huge consolidation of buyers. A lot of people will consider this a bull flag pattern because of its distinct way to have a lower low and lower high. Eventually, buyers are going to have to supersede this downtrend, and you're going to see a huge push of buyers. Now, what ended up happening to this stock is that QQQ actually broke above this bull flag and had a huge break of a supply. Now, what a supply essentially, you're looking for a huge indication of multiple sell-offs at a certain range. We know QQQ since January the 6th has sold from 527.95 all the way down to the bottom of the range. That happened once, and that also happened twice on January the 20th. So I knew if we have a huge push above the supply, that buyers were likely going to be in, making my first reason for entering into the trade. Now, the second reason for entering into my trade is making sure that we're not stuck between a range day. Now, one way you could find out if you're trading within a range day is really just looking at the pre-market high and the previous day high or low. In this case, QQQ actually started the day off within the first 5 minutes above the pre-market highs, and on top of that, it also was above the previous day high. This is two indications now that show that the market is reacting to a bullish sentiment, which gave me two reasons now to enter into the trade. Now, inside the Discord, I warned everyone before the first 5 minutes that I'm looking at QQQ calls because I saw that indication. I ended up entering into QQQ 531Cs, expiring at the 124 expiration, filled at $270 a contract. You can see me entering into the trade and signaling it out to the Discord. Now, after that, you can see we follow up. I saw there is a huge bullish consolidation happening, but of course, I'm not going to leave money on the table. I'm going to let everyone know that I'm going to trim half my contracts, even if it's a small gain. We trimmed half the contracts from $270 a contract to $294. Now, once I saw that push out closer to the 531, 532 spot, I knew that there's going to be a lot of sellers occurring at around the 530 to 531 notion, so I decided to close the rest of the trade. This was solid because of two things. We saw the huge push off from the huge bullish consolidation, and number two, we were not trading within a trend. This is how you're supposed to trade with a thesis and a plan. If you like videos like this, shoot me a follow. I will keep track of my trades regardless if it is a win or a loss.